हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोगों ने पिछली क्लास में इस सैम्पल पेपर के 11 क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस कर लिया है। आज हम लोग 12 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे और क्या स्ट्रेटजी होगी इसको सॉल्व करने की। लेट्स बी सी। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज है which one of the following is not equal to unity. You see this option number 1 A is your equal to 1. Yes. Now the next identity is sec square x minus tan square. This is also identity equal to 1. Tan x into cot x. This is also equal to 1. See how. Tan x you write this like this, and cot x you can write like 1 upon tan x. So you see this cancel. So your answer is 1. So here A correct, C correct, D correct. Which is not equal to unity? Option number B. So here right answer is option number D. Now we are moving on the next question number 13. Now my dear friends, my dear students, we are moving the question number 13. Consider the following frequency distribution. Class this and the frequency is this. Find the what find here? Okay, the upper limit of the median class. Upper limit of the median class. So what is your median class? How we find? Median means midterm. Median means mid term. So how we find here midterm? First you add the all frequency. 11 plus 12 plus 13. 13 plus 12 25. 11 plus 9 how much? It is 20. So 20 plus 25. 20 plus 25 how much? 20 plus 25. Okay, same idea. 45. 45 plus 11. 56. Okay. Now 56 you divide it by 2. What you will get? 23. Okay. What you will get here? 23. And you write here, my dear students. Just resume it. Okay. Now see. We write here its cumulative frequency CF. How we can write it? Just you write it 11. 11 plus 12 here 23. Now the next is 23 plus 13. 3 6 and 2 1 3 36 plus 9 45 and this is here 56. Okay. Now see where the 23rd term is lie in this area. So your median class is this. Your median class is this is your median class. So what question here asked you? Upper limit of median class. So what is your upper limit is 10. Okay. So here right answer is your option number A, that is 10. I hope you have understand it. Still if you are having any problem you can comment us in the chat box. Okay, now We are moving on the next question number 14. See in question number 14 what is written here. Let the empirical relationship between the three measures of the central tendency be this. Then 2b plus 3a is equal to, you have to find it. You know what is the formula of relationship of the empirical formula. So here the formula of the mode is this, and my dear student, you know what is given here. From the question is given here, mode equal to a median minus, if you take this b in this side, it comes in negative sign, b mean. Here is space is less, so I am writing in this way. ओके, यहाँ पे स्पेस कम है, तो इस तरीके से हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं सॉल्व करने के लिए. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड हेयर 2b. now we are changing the color. 2b plus 3a. You see here, compare the both formula. The original actual formula, empirical formula, is the blue color here is written here, and the in the question is given that is in red form. Now if you compare it, a equal to what is 3, a equal to is here 3, and similarly b equal to here is your 2, a equal to is your 3. So put here in this formula, you see 2, what is the value of b? 2. So multiply 2 plus 3, what is the value of a? 3. Multiply with 3. So this is your 9 and this is your 4. So 9 plus 4 how much? Is your 13. So right answer is your 13 here. Option number C is right answer. I hope you have understand this question in very nice way. Now the question number is 15 here. How we will solve the question number 15? From an external point Q, the length of tangent to a circle 12 centimeter and the distance, you draw your first circle. Point Q. Where is the point Q? An external point. Let this is. And this is your circle and here is your point Q. So if it is your point Q, from point Q the length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter. This is your 12 and this is your center here. And from the center of the circle is 13. Okay, 1 minute. The length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center. Okay, from center distance of Q is 13. You know it very well. The tangent makes an angle with radius always 90 degrees. So this is your 90 degree angle. speed. This is your 90 degree angle. So this is your hypotenuse, and this is your, you can say, base. You need to here find the radius. So what is the formula? You can say 13 square is equal to 12 square plus radius square, radius you can say r square. So this is your 169. This 12 square is 144, take in the left hand side, so minus 144 equal to r square. If you solve this, you will get here 25. So r square is equal to 25. So r equal to here 20, sorry, r equal to you get here 5. So the right option is B option. In this question, your right answer is B. I hope you understand. In question number 16, in the given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to a circle with center O and diameter AB. If angle POB is 115 degree, then the measure of APO, angle APO. Okay, see how we can find this. First we join this diagram. Okay, now see. This angle how much here? The AB is a straight line, so you subtract this from 180 minus 115. How much left? 65. So this angle is your 65 degree, and you know here angle A is how much? Angle A, this is your 90 degree, because radius and the tangent makes 90 degree. So here are two angles you have find out, 90 and 65. So this angle how much? You see, sum of angle P and angle AOP, how much must be 90? Because angle A is right triangle, APO is right angle triangle. So 60, how much angle we should add in 65? It must be 90. Yeah, sum of all angle in triangle APO is 180 degree. So in 65, what should you add? You will get 90. 60 plus 25. 65 plus 25. So answer number is here. Option number is here. A option. A right answer is A. Now the question number 17. The circumference of two circles are in the ratio 3:4. Then the ratio of their areas. Okay. You know that circumference formula of the circle is 2 pi r first circle, and the second circle you can write 2 pi capital R is here given is 3 by 4. 2 pi 2 pi cancel, so R upon capital R is 3 upon 4. Now the formula of area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Is pi r square upon pi capital R square. So pi cancel. You know here r upon capital R means small r upon r is how much here? 3 by 4. So you write here 3 by 4 and you square it. How much you will get? You will get here 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So here you will get 9 is to 16. Option number C answer. Here option C. Right answer is option C. 9 is to 16. Now the next question. Question number 18. An event most unlikely to be happen the its probability. बच्चे probability value always lie between 0 to 1. Okay. You see here the 0. This side is unlikely, means uncertain. This side is certain. So which is value here? Smallest value in option number A. 0.0001. So most unlikely probability is option A here, right answer. Now question number 19. Each of the following question two statement assertion and reason. So first assertion what is given here? Line joining the midpoint two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side. Yes, it is our BPT. It is our BPT in a triangle. If we find the two midpoint and join to them, this side and this side must be parallel according to BPT. Converse of BPT. Now, region if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Yes, it is also right. So here A and R both are true. So option number A is right. Option here. Next question number 20. Two coins tossed simultaneously. Possible outcomes are two heads. One head, one tail, two tails. Hence the probability of getting two head is 1 by 3. Okay. See assertion is right or wrong. If we coin two coins tossed, so what is the two coin toss sample space? H plus HH. Okay. First sample space HH. HT, TH and TT. These are the four sample space. So the probability of getting two heads. So two heads here is the only option 1. So getting the probability of two heads 1 favorable, total possible 4. Probability is 1 by 4. So assertion is here. This assertion is wrong. Now reason probability of equally likely outcomes of an experiment always equal. Yes, reason is true. First you check uh, assertion is false in which option? Only in option number D. So here right answer is option D. You see here right answer is option D because assertion is false and reason is true. So here right answer is option D. Thank you, my dear student. We have discussed 20 MCQ of CBSE Maths basic sample question paper. We will discuss its very short answer in the next वीडियो। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।